Another group of reptiles, known as the archosaurs, came into their own after the end Permian extinction. Arch means to rule, and so the archosaurs were the ruling reptiles. In the Triassic, they gave rise to the first reptiles to fly, the pterosaurs. They gave rise to crocodiles, and thus crocodiles are archosaurs. And they gave rise to a diversity of forms which would not survive the extinction at the end of the Triassic period. However, they also gave rise to the first dinosaurs, and following the end Triassic extinction, dinosaur groups would dominate terrestrial faunas throughout the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods before becoming extinct and the mass extinction at the end of the Cretaceous. One group of theropod dinosaurs, however, evolved a smaller body size, a covering of downy and then later flight feathers, and evolved the ability to fly. And so thus the archosaur dinosaurs gave rise to the first birds by the Jurassic period. And this was one group which survived the end Cretaceous extinction and has thrived and diversified to produce the modern birds. And so thus crocodiles and birds are the only surviving archosaur reptiles.